Good morning, this is Ann. So today's clip about feeling your way through the challenge. So there I am, I'm walking my daughter to school today and I'm getting ready to, walk fast, go back to work, listening to a podcast. And I thought, no, I'm going to the beach today. Here we are. It's on my way home just for a few minutes, do some stretching, get present. And I just thought, as we coach, we get some people, especially in September or January, that are, okay, I'm all in. I got to get back to this. And I can just sense it, that that edge can be really awesome, but it also can be that you're fixing yourself, that there's something wrong. You want to eliminate something. And instead of getting to the core of the issue, you just go right back to dieting or right back to eliminating bread or something you love. And you can do it for a little bit. If you're lucky, maybe 2 weeks. For a lot of people, it's half a day. And then you feel blindsided. What? I felt so great. My decision was awesome. Why am I doing the opposite of what I intended? There is an answer to that, you guys. And plowing through and doing more aggressiveness on your body, even though it feels like, wow, phase 1 is amazing, it can work. It can also work really well if you just take just a little bit of time to soften and go, what's actually going on here? I call it feeling your way through this, because otherwise you're going to eat, and if you're not eating, you'll be shopping, or if you're not shopping, you'll be drinking or having sex, or all those things that we exercise even. So you can't avoid this. And for some people, it's not like you've had massive trauma. Maybe you've had that, but it's just the body. Humans, we love not feeling that discomfort. Who likes feeling uncomfortable? But a bit of breath, a bit of mindfulness, some tools. A lot of us don't have those tools or never learned them. And you don't learn them overnight, but you just can actually get your way through the feeling. So if you're feeling blindsided by your decisions sometimes, or you have promised yourself something and then you unpromise it, there are solutions to that. They come from within, but there's also a lot of tools. So at Vital Body, we've got our in-house counselor, Gina Miller. The coaches also ask really great questions to help you find your own awareness, your own tools. And we also offer Sunday explorations, which is once a month on a Sunday. And we explore what's going on beyond just what to eat, because for a lot of people, you know what to eat, but you're not doing that. And then that creates a real dissonance, because you think you should have more willpower or more strength, or what's wrong with me? And we can explore that. And it's not like, hey, here's a tip, do this, and it'll get rid of it. Tips can be helpful to get you through something, but what we want to do is bring more flow to it, more grace, build that muscle so you can actually go, oh, look at that. I was getting dressed in the morning. I had a thought, I don't fit in anything quite right. And you move on with your day, and then you find yourself eating a bunch of foods that you were not wanting to eat. That can correlate for some people. It's an exploration. You have to find it for yourself, because, there was this negativity I put on myself. I didn't like that. And then it plays out later where your body and your soul and your physicalness crave something to help you feel better, because food does give you a little burst, right? Or a little rush or a little filling. And then the rest ensues, like, oh, why did I do that? Da, da, da. So, and then mostly the solution is like, okay, I'm going to buy more cucumber. We're going to buy this, or going to do that, or back up, So just love the holistic coaching we do here. We've got this incredible nutritional solution, but there's also more than just that. You're a human with a soul, with emotions, and I promise you there are answers to this. And being anti-dieting, I don't think is the answer either, because a healthy diet, choosing the right foods, and mindfulness can really get you the physical answers you want to your metabolism reset. So hang in there, join us on Sundays once a month in our Sunday explorations. Make sure you've got a great coach that's really inquiring with you about more than just tips to get you through things, but what's really needing to soften for you. Okay, enjoy your day. Isn't that gorgeous? Love this. Bye. This is Roberts Creek in BC, Canada.